welcome to my channel. My name is Alex and I am the creator of Color Me Crazy, where I basically customize and dye wigs or bundles. And so today I'm going to be showing you all a quick video of how to dye a wig using different layers of colors. So I'm going to be using two colors, blue and green, using this hair from Unice hair, and I'm going to be using their 613 wig with dark roots. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you all how to dye this wig, this type of hair, with using the watercolor method. Get straight to the point. I know y'all like to just hurry up and see how things get done and see the results, so we're gonna get straight to it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, you all. Let me know what y'all think, and let me know any other ideas that you all want to see in my wig creations. Okay, so yeah, let's get to it, y'all. Enjoy the video. Peace.
All right, y'all, so I'm making sure that I am getting my water boiling hot in a pot. And I'm using Kiss brand, cyan, and limelight for my colors. And I'm going to wash the color out with the Shea Moisture shampoo. And then after that, I'm going to apply the leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture as well. So I'm placing the boiling water in a bucket in my sink. And I'm getting my next batch of boiling water ready, as I am about to dye half of my wig blue. And to do that, I parted my wig, you know, down the middle, and then I tied up one side up so then I can dip the other half of the hair into the bucket. So first I'm gonna make sure that I mix the dye very good so that the dye does not be blotchy on the wig. That's my baby in the background, y'all. So yeah, make sure you mix very well. Be careful with the hot water. It is better to have your water as hot as possible. Just be careful, but yeah, the hotter the better, because the color comes out more vibrant. So yeah, I'm dipping the hair, half of it, into the water, making sure that I dip a lot, making sure that it gets between all of the hairs. So y'all gonna see I'm gonna get like some of the blue dye on part of the other side of the hair, but that's okay because it's still gonna look good, like with a little bit of blue on the green part. Is gonna look fine, y'all, don't worry. But yeah, to do that half and half, make sure you just tie it up on the other half so you can dye one side one color and the other color. So I poured out that other batch of dye and I poured the new water in there, and now I'm gonna do the green color, mix it up real good, and then I'm gonna dip the other side of the wig in there. You want to make sure that you dip, just keep on dipping, dip a lot. It's gonna really help you get in between every single layer and hairs all up in that wig, because you do not want to miss a spot. You're gonna be real mad. So yeah, keep on dipping and use really hot water. And as y'all can see, some of that blue on the other side, but it's okay, y'all. It's the colors together, like mixed together just a little bit. It looks dope. So yeah, you see I'm dipping a lot, y'all. Cause I'm making sure I'm getting up in there, and I'm even using the detangling brush, because you don't want the hair to get tangled as you're dipping the hair into the hot water. So yeah, make sure I'm brushing it a little bit so it could still stay nice, and making sure that the dye gets in every part of the hair, y'all. So now I am rinsing out the dye, and I'm about to wash it with that Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo. And I'm also using the detangling brush just to make sure the shampoo gets everywhere in the hairs and that my hair stays tangle free. And I'm gonna rinse it out with cold water to make sure that the moisture stays in the hair, because you do not want your hair dried out, because using that hot water can dry out your wig. So you got to bring it back to life with your shampoo and your conditioner and that cold water. And as y'all can see, hopefully the colors are not bleeding out, which is really good. And yep, I'm just rinsing out the hair, draining the water out the hair. And I'm about to apply the leave-in conditioner, also black Jamaican castor oil leave-in conditioner. And I'm gonna apply that all throughout the hair. Alright, so I have finished applying the leave-in conditioner all throughout the hair, and then I leave it, of course I leave it in, and I let the hair air dry overnight, and then I blow dry it the next day. And then I straightened it with a hot comb and a flat iron. And here's the results for that. And then I used a, what's it called, a crimper? Yeah, a crimper. It's my first time crimping hair, y'all, so decided to try something new, and that's the results for that. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed my video, and go ahead and follow me on my hair page on Instagram. It's colormecrazy_Alex. You can go ahead and DM me for booking as well. And yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe so you do not miss out on the amazing creations that I post for you all in the future. Let me know if you all have any ideas, any future colors that you want me to try on these wigs, y'all. But yeah, thank you for watching.